going back and forth.
What?
Yeah, I just realized that.
Fuck.
Oh my god, you're still shifting. I am so
That's his neck cracking and shit.
I know. Probably. But he might be moving the tombstones is what it is.
These corridors are fucking terrifying.
I know. Dude, I'm scared for you moving the tombstones.
My flashlight is almost out. You can't see anything on my... Whoa, is that a library? That's fucking bookcase.
Dude, I'm not, I swear, he's moving these tombstones.
Oh, come on, I'm in a box room. With library books, come on. It says the fucking white noise asshole's gonna kill you. Wait, I hear his tape, I hear a tape. Shut up, there's a tape near me.
God. Oh, dude, this is what happens if you... See, I've lived for so long.
Did you die?
I've lived for so long in nightmare mode. With 2 tapes, with heads cracking, and I'm dead.
Oh, you're fucking dead? Shit, I'm still alive. I just got my second tape.
Oh my god, dude. The control... Okay, I survived for 14 minutes.
Fucking, I don't know how long I survived. I'm actually, yeah, I'm 14 minutes in.
Witch killer, distance walked.
I'm like 14 minutes in, so... How did you only have 1 scream? I'm pretty sure I had like 3 already. What the fuck is that thing?
I went in a huge circle for a long time.
There's a spaceship.
Yeah, dude, I covered all of the borders in the map, and I'm not kidding you.
I'm going to see if I can go up these stairs, and if I can't, I'm fucked. I can't. I just wasted 3 seconds of my time. Oh. Oh, it's getting louder. There was just a fucking exit that way. What?
Oh my god.
Oh, there was just an exit this way.
I just made a riot shoe out of the path I was walking. I'm not joking.
Oh my god, dude, that scared me. I thought it was Raichu. I don't know what it is. I'm not a Pokemon person, but Raichu, whatever. These fucking... I keep thinking quarantine of that. I keep thinking quarantine, but
I think
quarantine's the one where oh, that's a dead end with 2 cameras. I don't like that.
Quarantine's the one with the bad ending.
Yeah, quarantine's the one like with the infected people, and it was like the zombies that from 28 days later and 28 weeks later. Yeah, that.
It reminds me of this one movie where these stupid parasitical fish or something like that go into the ground and pretty much infect this entire town.
Because they said YOLO.
It might seem like a cliche, but they're having like this own thing.
Did you?
Like,
Okay, I'll let you finish. It just came to my mind.
I think it was an Indian made movie.
Oh fuck! I'm back in this room. I circled. I'm back into the fucking Xeno Intelligence Bureau. Holy fuck! Jesus Christ! Wait, I want to see his head twitch. Oh, gross! Ew! Ew, I want to get his head twitch.
Yeah, I told you.
Ew! If you turn off your flashlight, it should help. It's not helping me. I'm scared shitless right now. I can't turn right.
I think I can hear that.
I'm scared. Holy chicken boob, that's a totem. This is where you lagged out. Oh my god. We're back here at the... I can pee in that water fountain place. Now it's time for Can You Pee in That Water Fountain? Alright, first up is the school janitor.
Who has mannequins that throw guys in
Yeah.
and pictures of Hollister bags. If you've ever seen those, you know what I mean.
Oh Oh my god, my flashlight's almost out. You can't see anything on my camera. I have to look at the ground. Oh, I don't like this. Me no karate.
Dude, no flashlight challenge we're probably gonna do.
Where?
It's gonna be a screen.
Where? He's not behind me. He isn't behind. I'm not going down that hallway. I heard some crazy shit down that hallway.
I told you stuff shifting. You don't believe me. Now you.
Oh, that's so fucking close. These whispers aren't helping. I have survived, I think, 19 minutes now.
Whispers like that?
Yeah. I mean, no one else could hear them because it was too close. Am I back here? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, this is definitely like that one movie.
About your personal life.
Fucking, what was that movie called? I think it wasn't called Paranormal, it was,
Look it up.
It started with, no, I'm still thinking of Quarantine, but it's not it. I believe it was made by the same people. Oh, by the way, Sharknado, you know that horrible movie?
Oh, yeah.
Apparently it was, thought of by Lindsay Lohan. I mean, yeah, but it was apparently made by, Lindsay Lohan, that was her idea.
The person that tried to sue for FFL 5 because they thought that picture wasn't her.
Yeah. Oh, this fucking dude! This is a lot smaller of a hallway than I. Oh, my flashlight went out. I have no flashlight.
This is sort of Resident Evil. It's like a scene from Resident Evil. Where your flashlight keeps on cutting out, and the hallway you're in just gets faster, faster.
Oh wait. Oh, okay. Fuck.
There's something a bit like the backside of
Fuck.
I think.
Oh, fuck. Oh, the whispers are getting louder with my flashlight off. I could see the wall, barely.
Probably dead people telling you to run is what I bet. They probably say something like that.
I want to go on YouTube after this and see what the whispers mean.
I might tell you that, either you're safe or something else is going to happen.
It's a good thing I can see in the dark very well. Because I'm pretty sure this wall is fucking endless. This wall is so fucking endless. I mean this hallway. I've been walking forever. I have my flashlight back. I see the wall. Wait. That's a fucking dead end. Are you shitting me? Oh my fucking god. This reminds me of Cabin in the Middle of the Woods or Cabin in the Woods.
Oh god, yeah. Cabin in the Woods.
That fucking...
That movie that... Yeah, it's
It was a dead end. Oh god damn it, my flashlight went out. Why?
It's one of those... Well, we know obvious cliche movies, but this movie... It's like that, what's the amazing crime where we got...
My flashlight's barely on. You fucker.
Most of the time.
I'm about to just jump into a fucking totem pole. Because I am scared shitless right now. If you've seen my first video on this, which you probably haven't, it's fucking scary. I only saw him 3 times and I almost shit my pants. Oh, that's so close. He's in this room. Holy fuck, there's mutilated bodies. This is the morgue, isn't it? I got 3. I got 3. Oh my god, that's him. Holy shit. His toes are gross looking. Why is there blood on just this one box? Test subject. And then there's blood on the cabinet. Fuck. I want to beat this game in this run, but I know it's not going to happen. Because now I'm at 3. I bet this fucking thing is still scary. I mean, scary shitless. Scared shit. Yeah. Scary as fuck. Even with my recording abilities. You know? Yeah, because this game is so atmospheric. This is nightmare mode, and I haven't seen him in so fucking long. Oh, no, that's all I'm running off of is atmospheric shit, because I can't really see. What's that? I see something. I can't see anything. I'm fucked. There's no way I'm still alive.
There's only one fitting song.
I'm in a corner with the totem pole. Like, I'm not looking at it, and I'm perfectly fine. So this is actually really good cover. I feel like I will. Right now, actually. I mean, what the fuck is up with this totem pole? It's just... What the fuck is wrong with it? It's so... I'm not gonna die. Ah! Oh, fuck! Fuck!
That was perfectly timed. Perfectly timed.
25:52. That's 3 tape recorders. Fuck.
It's only 25:52.
I traveled 2,149.4 meters. Screams 3. The map. Oh, I gotta see this map. How many times did I circle around?
How are we gonna make a swastika out of it?
It looks like a bunny right now. There's a hamster. It looked like a hamster outline for a second. Now it looks... What does it look like? Oh my god, I went up and down that hallway so many times. Are you shitting me? Yeah, I get... No, this is it. I guess there's just one hallway that's, like, you know, from border to border. Corner to corner. What the fuck state does that look like? It looks like a retarded Texas. It does. Yeah, I knew I went in a circle. Fuck.
Well, it was actually interesting.
Am I dead yet? I died. Here we go. It looks like a retard. Alright, fuck this game. I am